I'm Mark with Edgewater Candles, and I want to talk to you today about how to get the wax out of a spent candle. Edgewater candles burn really cleanly and evenly down the jar, and when you're finished, it'll look like this. Just a little bit of wax left at the bottom. But this jar is wonderful to reuse, and an easy way to do that is to use hot water. So I'm going to pour a little bit of hot water into the jar, and a little bit in this bowl to surround the jar with hot water as well. Over the next few minutes, the wax will start to melt, and the sticker at the bottom that's holding the wick in place will also dislodge, and I can use this spoon to help it along the way. And with a little bit of pressure, the adhesive comes right off the bottom of the jar, and now the wick tab is out of my candle, which is great. Once the wax has cooled, you can easily remove it with a paper towel or the same wooden spoon, and then you can wash the jar with soap and water and reuse the mason jar however you wish.